Hi everybody, this is Spider Rider and I'm back. I'm back on the track and I'm back with news for you. News about my progress on the track for the last 2 weeks. I have been practicing, I have like 10 hours already on the track. I had my ups and downs, as you could see in my previous movie. I dropped the bike twice so far, but I managed not to drop it the third time yet. So, this video is intended for all you women riders that want to take up the course and want to buy a motorcycle and want to become a motorcycle rider. I have 3 tips for you girls on how to take the turnings effectively in the track. Because I had a problem with the turnings, I have to admit it. It took some time until I got it in my head how it works and how I have to do it. So maybe it helps if I give it to you like really on the spot. This is what you should pay attention to. So here it goes. Tip number 1. Be in the right speed. When you start riding the motorcycle on the track, you will see the instructor lets you just ride in the first gear. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to push the throttle. You don't have all the clutch you use when you start riding and when you stop. But that's it. For the rest, the motorcycle is riding itself. You just drive a little slowly and you take the turning normally, or sometimes you drop the bike like I did. Watch the previous video. Okay, that happens. But then you go to the next level and then you start using the second gear because you have to get a little bit more speed and you have to shift up. Take the turning in the second gear, have the right speed. You'll see the footage in the track, like how I did it, how I realized that really it works in the second gear because you have a little bit more speed, because really the bike takes you there and you don't have to worry. The bike is not wobbling so much. It just takes the turning nice and smoothly. So tip number 1 again, be in the right gear. Be in the right gear. For me it was the second gear. I don't know what your instructor will tell you. I changed, so I'm in second gear. Slowly when I approach the turning, I leave the gas, I don't accelerate, I'm watching where I'm going, and now a little bit of acceleration. Oh yes, 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 I'm doing it. Oh, it's really a lot better. I like it like this, and now I'm trying to control the acceleration. A little bit of gas, now I stop the gas, approaching the turning. I'm watching where I'm going. And approach the stopping point, clutch, brake. Okay then. Tip number 2 for you girls. This is very important. This actually I learned from my husband. And it says, watch where you're going. I've seen this advice in several movies on YouTube. Everybody tells you, yes, this is very important for beginners, watch where you're going. No girls, this is very important. This is the most important thing. Watch where you're going. Like really, you will see in the videos that I will just post after this, how I'm really turning my head. Maybe just a short demonstration, like if I want to go there, I don't look down, but I watch there. Your body comes with your motorcycle and your motorcycle comes with your body. It's really happening. It's if you're snowboarders, this will help you, because I do also snowboarding, and when the instructor tells you the board is going where you tell it to go, where you're watching it to go, so you say, okay, I want to go there. Really, the board is going that way. It's the same with a motorcycle. Watch where you're going. So when you enter the turning, right? You enter the turning, you're in the second gear, don't forget it, tip number 1, and you start already to take the turning. Watch where you're going. You want to go there. It will just go. You don't fall anymore. You don't stumble. You don't wobble. You don't do anything. You just go there. So this is a very important thing. It probably helps in the real life afterwards, in everywhere in the motorcycle riding. So watch where you're going. And tip number 3, a little bit of throttle on your way out of the turning. So if you master, the second gear, Don't accelerate before the turning. You take the turning, watch where you're going, and when you're out already, almost on the way out of the turning, use a little bit of throttle. It just takes you out perfectly. You'll see it. Watch the video, watch the footage that I took in the track, and I was really happy. You can hear me in the helmet. I was like, oh my god, yes, this is it. Second gear, a little bit of gas. I'm not afraid of the turnings anymore. Watch where I'm going, a little bit of acceleration on the way out. Yes, I'm so happy. I feel like I passed this psychological thing that kept me from taking the turnings right, because I was really afraid. So I'm still in the second gear. Don't push the gas. Incline, watch where you're going. Okay. Well, the windings, I got them first. I don't know, it's my second lesson. I got them perfectly. Now I can't do it anymore. So I turn and watch where I'm going. A little bit of acceleration on the way out. Oh my god! I'm happy. So this was it for today. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe, like and comment if you want. I will keep you posted with the progress here on the track for me. This was Spider Rider and I'm out.